If your entire living room feels heavy, if allergies hit you the moment you sit on the couch, or if cooking smells linger for hours, you might need something stronger. Today we're reviewing the BLUEAIR HEPASilent Smart Air Purifier for medium to large rooms, a model designed to handle bigger spaces where small bedroom purifiers simply can't keep up. Who is it for? This gadget, perfect for living rooms. Larger living areas collect dust, pet dander, and outdoor pollutants throughout the day. This purifier is built to circulate and clean air continuously in high-traffic spaces. Open concept spaces. If your kitchen flows into your dining and living area, odors and airborne particles spread quickly. This unit is powerful enough to handle open layouts, homes with pets. Multiple pets mean more dander and airborne fur particles. A larger capacity purifier helps manage that load more effectively. Families with allergy issues. When multiple family members struggle with allergies, improving air quality in shared spaces becomes more important. People dealing with smoke or pollution. If you live in a city or near traffic-heavy roads, fine particles can easily enter your home. This purifier helps reduce that exposure indoors. This unit is designed for significantly larger coverage areas compared to smaller bedroom models. Key features include HEPASilent filtration technology, real-time air quality sensor, smart auto mode, app control via Wi-Fi, quiet but powerful airflow. HEPASilent combines mechanical filtration and electrostatic charging, helping capture microscopic particles efficiently while using less energy. The real-time air quality sensor continuously monitors indoor air. In auto mode, the purifier adjusts fan speed automatically depending on particle levels. That means it works harder when pollution increases and stays quiet when the air is clean. It's a set-it-and-forget-it system. Additional performance insight. For medium to large rooms, airflow power matters. This model is engineered to cycle and clean air multiple times per hour depending on room size. That continuous circulation is key for maintaining stable indoor air quality throughout the day. Despite its power, it remains relatively energy efficient, which is important for a device that may run for hours daily. Pros: strong coverage for larger spaces, smart air quality monitoring, automatic fan adjustments, modern minimal design, energy efficient for its size. Cons: higher price than small room models, larger physical footprint. Replacement filters add ongoing cost. If you need serious coverage for a living room or open layout, this model is a noticeable step up from compact purifiers. It combines strong airflow, smart automation, and quiet performance into one system. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more in-depth Amazon gadget reviews where we focus on real features, real performance, and honest pros and cons. And don't forget, all product links are in the description below so you can check them out yourself. See you in the next review.